Today we are bringing you 3 super fun basketball themed games perfect for any basketball party. Game number 1 is really easy. Just get some plastic spoons and then some masking tape. I drew some little net type material just with some crisscross lines on the masking tape, and then I went ahead and taped it on the bottom side of the spoon to create a little bit of a net on this side. Then you're going to take some orange colored marshmallows, you can get them just at any store, and then you're going to put them in the cup side of the spoon, try and throw it over, oh, almost, throw it over and catch it. Third time will be the charm, I hope, right? Nope. Catch it on the other side, ta-da! 4th time was the charm. Have a race to see who can get as many baskets as possible in 60 seconds. The one with the most at the end of 60 seconds is the winner. For game number 2, we got some little baskets from the dollar store, and you're gonna have to make 4 baskets in the fastest time. Good job. Basket number 1 is going to be putting it on the front of your head and trying to make a basket. Oh, you did it, good job. All right, basket number 2 is gonna be on this side of your head. As soon as you make that, whoa, just like that. Then you're gonna switch it to the back of your head. Make it behind. As soon as you get that one in, nice job. You're gonna switch to the side. As soon as you complete the 4th basket, we stop your time and the fastest one is the winner. You ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
You ready? On your mark. Get set, go. Good job. Woo! Wait, first try. Getting a little bit of help to hold it on the back. Good job.
Yeah.
All right, last one. For game number 3, we have 2 hoops, and we're going to have to, this is a team competition, see how quickly you can get it from underneath my hoop, through it, and into his, or vice versa. So we're just gonna see how fast we can successfully get from the bottom of one hoop into the top of the other. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, on your mark. Get set, go. First try! That's awesome. So maybe instead of see how many you can do in 1 minute, because that was cool. Okay, all right, go for it. Oh, try again. Oh, good job.
Second try.
We hope you enjoyed those 3 easy basketball party games. If you did, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.